also, also on your philanthropic work, the visits that you do Kuma prisons, you visit prisons, and for the benefit, maybe you could share that part. Just give us more intel on what is it that motivated you to actually go Kuma prisons and do all that.
All right. Kuma prisons, I remember I used to be so much afraid of where someone in the prison. Mona lenga tongo fika embe kujiri ndaitu chikandaitona dziri modi rapists, you know, all those crimes that are annoying. So one day, okay, I follow a lot of my programs on televisions. So I used to follow my programs at Menyika. She turns out Munuka, I don't jerry, but I never paramotion. I told her my call. Then I said, okay, maybe the same thing, no gonna get chitika. So the Bandakatangapula is in my prison, okay, fine, we also do a lot of charity work. Maybe my prisons help, yeah. So that's how I got into that. So I started working with my rehabilitation officers at my prisons, where they would say, yes, there are some cases. Pauno fila kuti munhu yoka vanhu vatakugara navo tinotuva unose vanhu muchitaura pane munhu unonyatsonzwa kuti uyuka anotaura kuti inini chokadi mhosva anamboipara but zvakamira zvakadai so ndopatakatanga kuenda tichinomita those people tichiita interviews. I think a lot of people they know very well. Pane vamwe sekuru atakamboita interview sekuru ava vapiwa sentence about 38 years, I think. Ivo pacha vari kuma 70 something. Vanzi vakarepa in the but time yavaka accused of that vavatori necatheter there was no way in which he could have committed the crime. So when we did an interview with him, a lot of people thought sympathize, let's get a lawyer. We managed to get a lawyer and Sekuru Vakatumbuda. In about 38 years, Zawangwa to save I think about 3 years. And he was very sick. But Vakatu Kwanza. And then we later discovered no, Inya Kaitka Musha Kwabo, Vavapiwa, you know, Musha, then somebody wanted Musha Iwoyo. You know, something like that. So it's there are a lot of such cases. These people, like some of them, they are innocent. Of course, we are not saying man is
very innocent,
but
genuine.
Maybe akashaya vakakwanza kumbatsira kumurepresenta legally. So that's when we come in and help, and then want a chance kuti nyavo appeal or something like that.
Okay, no, that because usually when we are watching as my viewers, you don't really know what's on the ground. When you hear a story, you're quick to say, no, why are you taking this particular case? This person was already judged, this person was already given a sentence, and we don't take time to really understand what really happens. But yeah, we're quite grateful. Maybe you can share with our viewers what the name of the show is, when it when you have it.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. The show on the Behind Bars. All right. Is for Pastor FM every Tuesday. Manerona 10:30, but we also have it on our platform Tilder live Zim. Besides the show, we also have mama interviews ananga chikonzena my prisoners as well any other time, and like whenever we feel kuti apapane need, we just bring it anytime at nama particular times, especially but not apapane emergency pani chakati we just come live anytime.
No.